What will be the future of this country? Mr. Prime Minister, Mr. Busy Prime Minister, Mr. Mon Ki Baat Prime Minister, what you want? What you want to finish me? Can you do it? Never and ever. Until and unless people give me the support, you cannot. Even only political vendetta works. Why you don't like Mamata Banerjee? That's why. Why you are defeated? That's why. Why you know that you are nowhere in Bengal? That's why. कि इतना निर्दय, इतना निर्मम प्राइम मिनिस्टर मैंने नहीं देखा, होम मिनिस्टर मैंने नहीं देखा, जो ममता को खिलाफ में है, इसी के लिए उसको चीफ सेक्रेटरी पर उसको ब्यूरोक्रेट्स को भी अटैक करने पड़ता है. दिस इज टू मच. चीफ सेक्रेटरी जो बड़ा ब्यूरोक्रेट होता है उसको आप जस्ट बुला के लेते हैं. इट नेवर हैपेंस विद इन दिस 74 years ऑफ आवर हिस्ट्री. अब ये शर्म का बात है. इवन आई विल अपील all the state government, all the opposition state government, and all the senior leaders of this country, and all the NGOs, all the intellectuals, all the political persons, all the IAS and IPS, please be together, and state service officer also, please be together and fight the battle. It is not only the battle of Alapan Bandyopadhyay. This battle is for all the bureaucracy, all the bureaucrats. Bureaucrats are afraid now. They cannot even ask them a question. Even for a topmost number one bureaucrats in the state, आप सबसे ज्यादा चीफ सेक्रेटरी जो बड़ा ब्यूरोक्रेट होता है उसको आप जस्ट बुला के लेते हैं. इट नेवर हैपेंस विद इन दिस 74 years ऑफ आवर हिस्ट्री. अब ये शर्म का बात है. इवन आई एम रियली सॉरी टू सी दैट अभी जस्टिस तो नहीं हुआ. पर्पस ऑफ एक्सटेंशन वाज कोविड एंड साइक्लोन. दे डिड नॉट मेंशन in the letter for what reason they want that Alapan Bandyopadhyay CS will join Government of India. What purpose? What is the reason? That they did not mention. They only mentioned the rule, one rule they quoted, 6 clause 1. That rule said that center and state detailed consultation should be there. But no detailed consultation is there. But it is just reverse. প্রতিশোধমূলক আচরণ एवं प्रतिशोधमूलक आचरण ये है कि इतना निर्दय, इतना निर्मम प्राइम मिनिस्टर मैंने नहीं देखा, होम मिनिस्टर मैंने नहीं देखा, जो ममता को खिलाफ में है, इसी के लिए उसको चीफ सेक्रेटरी पर उसको ब्यूरोक्रेट्स को भी अटैक करने पड़ता है. दिस इज टू मच. नाउ द अटेम्प्ट इज instead of giving the state consultation, the jurisdiction of the state, give importance to federal structure, they have added injury to the Government of India. Especially they have no consultation with the state government. ये जस्ट रिवर्स हो गया. प्रायर कंसल्टेशन 0 था, डिटेल्ड कंसल्टेशन नहीं हुआ. रूल 6 clause 1 प्रायर कंसल्टेशन इज देयर, बट यू हैव नॉट डन दैट ऑल्सो. यू हैव एडेड टू इंसल्ट इंजुरी. कंसल्टेशन का बदल में ये रिवर्स हो गया है. No consultation, nothing, no reason, nothing. Only political vendetta works. Why you don't like Mamata Banerjee? That's why. Why you are defeated? That's why. Why you know that you are nowhere in Bengal? That's why. Do you think that they should not respect the people's mandate? After my taking oath, within a day, they have got to saying violence, violence, violence. I have not seen any violence. There must be some evidence. They have filed some writ petition for president rule. We came to know from the media. They have gone to National Human Rights Commission. They sent National Human Rights Commission. They sent central team, not for the purpose of COVID, but for the purpose of political vendetta to save the BJP from their inner fightings. And now, I'm sorry, the purpose of extension of services for 3 months from 1st June 2021 of Sri Alappan Bandyopadhyay was in public interest to fight COVID-19 pandemic and impact of recent cyclone. Based on it, central government agreed to give extension on 24th May 2021. After the aerial visit of the PM on 28th May, the central government asked the state government to relieve Sri Bandyopadhyay to enable him to join on 31st May 2021 at 10 a.m. at New Delhi. Central state government doesn't know the cause when the reason even. State government did not agree to relieve him on 31st May 2021 as the purpose for which his extension was given still persists. CM West Bengal has written detailed data to Prime Minister as to why he cannot be relieved. Our priority is COVID and cyclone. It may be mentioned that perhaps the central government may not be aware that when I have received the letter, before that, Sri Bandyopadhyay has superannuated from afternoon of 31st May 2021 as his normal date of retirement is 31st May 2021. Hence, his services are no longer available to join the central government tomorrow as given in today's order. And this is the blunder of the central government. Great blunder. They want to bulldoze the state government totally. They want to play only the political vendetta. Who has taken this decision? This is illegal, unconstitutional. And we do not know who are their political advisors. Maybe some political advisor, this Prime Minister and Home Minister. It's really danger for the country. And it is not only they are going to bulldoze the federal structure, they are going to the moral of the bureaucrats throughout the country. Please remember, if the top officer of the state, he gets this type of humiliation, insultation, the behavior after working full of life, dedicated full of his life for the government, for the public, and after that, central government cannot force him to join Government of India without his consent, or the consent is without the consent of the state government, the detailed consultation. What message Modi government is giving to the country? They want to create disaster for the federal structure. They want to damage the bureaucracy. Not only Alappan Bandyopadhyay, I thanks to him that he has taken his own decision before that. But why the Chief Secretary to SDO to BDO, the central government, whenever they will desire, they will call them? Are they the bonded labor? They are not. Central government cadre, we respect them. State government cadres, we respect. You can call central pool cadres, but without state consultation, you cannot. I can call also, there are so many Bengal cadres officers are working in the central government. If we confront like this, what will be the future of this country? Mr. Prime Minister, Mr. Busy Prime Minister, Mr. Mon Ki Baat Prime Minister, what you want? What you want to finish me? Can you do it? Never and ever. Until and unless people give me the support, you cannot. Even I will appeal all the state government, all the opposition state government, and all the senior leaders of this country, and all the NGOs, all the intellectuals, all the political persons, all the IS and IPS, please be together and state service officer also. Please be together and fight the battle. It is not only the battle of Alapan Bandyopadhyay. This battle is for all the bureaucracy, all the bureaucrats. Bureaucrats are afraid now. They cannot even ask them a question. Only two syndicate members, these two, whatever they can decide, that is the law. It never said, even if somebody go to the court will not give support also. So far my knowledge is concerned, I am also as a lawyer speaking. I am also as a lawyer. And I am the High Court, Kolkata High Court, the live member of Bar Council also. So as a just common lawyer or just as a commoner, what we can guess, nobody can give this type of order. It is very unfortunate, unconstitutional, undermining the subvertive and all this. I cannot accept all this.
वीडियो को लाइक, कमेंट और शेयर करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें और ऐसी ही अपडेट्स के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें ताकि हमारी हर वीडियो की अपडेट आपको सबसे पहले मिले।